Welcome back to Club Erie. We are going to do a fan clutch on this Dodge pickup truck. Fan clutches are pretty common on most of these cars, especially trucks that have fan clutches. Basically, it's just a big nut that usually spins onto the front of the water pump. So we used to take these off using a chisel. You'd put it in an air hammer and you would just chisel that counterclockwise and you'd spin it off, but it would leave a pretty good mark. It would leave a pretty good divot right there. But they've always had this tool that works fine too, along with the big wrench. So we're just gonna make this quick video for you. All right, I'm gonna follow Chad over here and watch him blast this off. Spins freely off. Just keep giving it a spin. Sometimes you're going to have to grab the nut and actually twist it. Usually they spin right off.
Yeah, this one's so bad it won't spin the nut with it.
We just got done doing a condenser fan on this truck. The AC was not working properly. We saw that the condenser fan wasn't working, and she also actually had a weak fan clutch. So once you get the fan off, sometimes you have to take that shroud off. This time we did not, but you could pop out these 4 bolts. Throw the new one on. If you're not familiar with these electric tools, you should actually torque this stuff, but if you've been doing it a long time, you know about how tight it needs to be. So get it lined up nice. It'll spin right on there. Sometimes it'll give you a little trouble. Once that first thread gets going, it's a piece of cake. There it is. Then you just spin the fan. She spins right on. Then you grab your air tool again. And that's it. If you are doing an AC condenser in this style truck that you do have to break down the AC system, you shouldn't fill it yourself. And if you do happen to fill it yourself, or you're filling your AC, never use those stop leak cans that you would get from the parts store. You never want to use that stuff. Completely ruins the AC system. A lot of people do that, and it's not a good thing. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you would. We'll see you soon.